Are you having problems that your PS5 is stuck on the sparkle screen? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I had the exact same problem just a couple of minutes ago and I was able to finally fix it. So basically what I did firstly is that I tried a lot of things on the TV itself and it didn't really work. So what actually worked is that I went into my PS5. And what I did is that, because I have, as you can see, I have two cables on my PS5 and you probably have like the same. But basically this main two cables here, I believe that this one here is for power and this one is to the TV itself. So what I did is that I removed both of them basically and I waited about 10 minutes and then I just actually plug it back in again. So try this and you can see my cable here, it goes down here as you can see. So I had to remove one of them and then I had to remove this one as well. You don't have to remove it from the TV itself, just the cable here and here also, I guess. And just wait 10 minutes and then try to reconnect once again and see if that fixes the problem for you. And hopefully it will be able to fix it for you. It actually did fix it for me.